And on today's agenda, we have got a big Ford. So basically, he only wants some more noise, so we're going to give him some more noise. And we're going to do a cool little side exit. So,
sticking some pie cuts together.
Yeah, Matty's just sticking some pie cuts together. What we're going to do is centre pipe, chop it off beforehand, pie cuts, bring it out, nice little tip out the side, a little side exit, a little American, a little cheeky one of them, on a pretty clean Ford F-150. Very nice car, been lowered, not the typical thing to do with these, but it's gangster.
Hi.
So we're only using the MIG today, so it's probably not going to be amazingly pretty, but it will definitely do the job. As you can see, whoever has done this exhaust before has used a MIG, and on this side is pretty diabolical. There we go. Oh, exhaust paste everywhere. Yeah, it's not a great job whoever done this before, but we shall only improve. Oh, look at them dimes. Tiggy dimes, cheap diggy dimes, but there's no penetration there. Nope. Yes. Yes. So we're going to do the complimentary before and after. Rich has just jumped in, he's going to start it up. Not even sure where the exhaust comes out at the minute. Oh, it's just underneath. I think there's a couple of silencers in there. Yeah. Oh, complimentary. Very nice. So it doesn't sound too bad, as you can hear. It's got quite a nice tone to it, but this will just give it that little bit extra, as you shall see in the after once we have finished. Good angle that. We've got a rough mock-up of what we're doing. We've got some pipes taped and into place, and we've got big cuts Matty on the job again.
Can't get deafened. You gotta use that. Someone snap the button off.
Ah, got you. That's not sketchy.
I think I actually got I didn't get a shock. Must have been a spring, not plugged in.
Good tools. Look at that. Oh yes. Delightful. Well, it works. We'll make it work. And here we have a wild Matty trying to get off an exhaust rubber.
Yeah, there's a metal strap the whole way through it. That's why it won't come off. Just grab that end and pull that down.
Hey. Big time exhaust rubberer, cutterer. So just mocking up the cuts now, or mocking up how it's going to look. A little squiggle pipe just to bring it a bit flatter than what it is, because it comes on a downslope as of now. So we'll try and get rid of that downslope. Just like that. And then we've got that. And then
the back of it.
There we go. Lovely.
Right enough? Yeah. Angle good?
Yeah.
So I'll take
She's
that
good.
off.
And then what we'll do is make a little bracket to weld onto there, if you can see it. That'll be the hanger. And then, so we've chopped that little section off. We're just going to clean it up a little bit. And then we've got some ply cuts to give it the angle. Straight section. And the exhaust tips. Right, so she's on. It's not pretty. I am using flux core to weld stainless. It's never going to be amazing, but it's on there and it probably will never come off. It's not too bad for me, but it's on there, and then we're just going to make a bracket.
Gasless welding.
Gasless flux core for stainless. Yeah, loads of fun. Alright, so we've put a bracket on there and a hanger.
Where the fuck's the ramp?
Right above you.
Am I going to headbutt it?
No. So Matty's just going to have a go at doing a little bit of welding. He wants to have a go at this flux core business.
Right, welding. Nope. Can't even get it onto the exhaust.
Let's have a little looky. It looks like it's on there.
That bit is. I can't get to where I need to be.
Need to go on the exhaust side a bit more.
Yeah, you told me not to blow through it, so I'm scared now.
That's definitely on that.
That's too high. My arm's absolutely fried now. Fucking lights are seeing me off. It's fucking flashing.
Yeah, you have to just point and then once you start it'll be alright. Definitely attached to the hanger.
Lovely.
So, the exhaust complete. We're just going to go down on the ramp and then see what she sounds like. It looks pretty tidy from this angle, which is good. Yeah, buddy. Very cool, very cool. Very nice, very nice. Whether it's going to blow my eardrums out now. great success.
So we're just in Richard's F-150 after we've done the exhaust. Sounds much more like a V8 now. Are you happy?
Definitely. Sounds way more V80.
We'll crack window, so we're getting into a national speed limit. Hopefully there's not too much wind noise. Got a bit of a straight coming up in a sec. Not really the sort of road you want to be smashing a big American F-150 down. Oh, mic playing. Hopefully not too much wind noise, which sounds lovely.